Okay, now that's all finalized. Whew. I didn't even get to get comfortable. Where are the clothes? Why do I have a repetitive? Oh yeah, there are just some comfy little clothes.
Okay.
It is so adorable. It's lavendery and flowery. Sorry if it's too loud in the background. I'll be the editor. I'll do the editing. Okay, now all it's here. Now we can just come back. Whew. Are you even gonna do something? Oh yeah, your sister needed a shower today. And Frankie and Fluff and Puff Puff. Puff Puff goes first. Why? Go get into your shower suit. I don't have one. I'll just stitch one real quick. Here we are. I know this suit looks really awkward. Well, it's all I can do. Okay, now Fluff. This is a really nice shower. So let's just put that candle right beside so it gets all smokifying. Okay. Now let's start. First of all, I got you some body wash. Oh my god, Fluff. I know you don't like the water, but you have to get wet. Oh my goodness, Fluff. It's okay. My hat is getting wet. Now let's just put that on you. Shower out. I love shower out. Fluff, you're so fluffy. I'm getting wet. Oh my god, you're so fluffed up. I can't even see. Oh my god. Okay, good. You little pookifying thingy. Now let's get it in your pink area. I mean your hair. Well, everywhere is your hair. Oops, no offense. Okay. That's so much better. You look so... don't shake off. Such a naughty little Fluff. Come on. Go. Dry up. He's a little wet, you know? Yes, I know. Now let's just coffee. I love my little place. What is that? Awkward. Okay. Now I think it's Frankie's turn. Frankie, I hate the water, I know. Wait, I'm coming. I'll shower all the pets, but Frankie will be a bit hard. Okay, it's fine. Alrighty, Frankie. Get down in there. Meow. Go. Just go. Frankie turns on tap. It's so freezing cold! What's happening in there? I should go and check. Frankenstein! Why did I say that? That was awkward. Frankie! Get out of here! Get out of here! Why am I hitting you with the ball? I know you're turn off the tap! I'm freezing cold! Come, let's get you into some warm clothes. Come. First wear your hat. I told you it was too dangerous with Frankie. Good thing those clothes are warm. Here, wear this. Oh, I didn't really want to be in boots right now. It's fine. Come, I'll take you in a blanket. Why is this the second time that's happened to me? Oh, I don't know. It's okay. Cover that and shower Frankie. I'll just take care of you. What happened? Did something crazy happen? I'm taking a plushie now. The plushies egg yolk. Eggy, yes, your name's Eggy. And my milk got some popcorn. Add some popcorn. Oh no! Sissy, what happened? Here, take this. Take Eggy. Here, some candles. I lit them up for you. It's dangerous. Don't put candles on yourself, honey. By yourself. Here, take some of my warm milk. No, I don't need that. Honey, go and get something warm for your sister. Honey, what happened? Are you okay? Why are you the latest? No, I seriously was busy scolding Frankie the cat. Didn't seem like it. She's so sick now. Oh, my precious baby. She's yucking with her slipper. Can I sit with Sissy, Mommy? Can you get me a chair? Okay, yeah, I'll get you a chair. Okay, thank you, Mommy. Okay, take good care of your sister. Here's a book. Oh yeah, I forgot you don't know how to read. Just take care of your sister, okay? Shower up. Get it. So annoyed of you. You did that to our daughter? You're such a bad cat. Honey, now calm down. I can't. Just get out of here. kitty. Such a annoying little kitty. Honey, this is alright. Yeah, and she just was about to open her eyes. Is open. Has opened her eyes. Where am I? What happened to me? You're in freezing cold water. Why did you say that? I know. That's why I said that. Guys, that was a laugh. Okay, she's back to sleep. Oh, are you okay? She's literally asleep. Already afternoon? Yeah. It's okay. Let us sleep here today. I'll just leave her some clothes and she can just wear them. Although they'll be a bit cold. What did Frank do? Oh. I think these are just fine. Gets up, where's Gurl? It's dead. Okay, that was weird. Well, I guess. Okay, I'm not in the literal mood of cooking. I'm gonna go downstairs and bring them up. Rest of them. And just get 3 coffees. Yeah. Not all. The Emma will be in a cup. That pink cup. We need some warm coffee too. I'll just add some milk, but I'll warm it. So then I'll make the rest of the coffee. There we go. I have a tray that I can hold